guys, welcome to a new fresh episode of Crypto Milad. Today it's 21 January and we're gonna discuss Bitcoin because Bitcoin has its moves ups and downs, so we're gonna check that. And also we're gonna take a look at a couple meme coins and altcoins because I think it's interesting to see what they are doing because there is a lot of coins now at this moment at discount, guys. And what we're also gonna discuss today, guys, Hoppy. We're gonna also discuss Hoppy. We're gonna see what Hoppy is doing right now in the charts. So let's go to the charts, guys. Like you see in the crypto bubbles, guys, like the most coins are not doing so well today, but it's not a horrible day, guys. It's not a horrible day. We had more red days than this, and like the big losers of today are, for example, Fartcoin with 21% and SPX 6900 yesterday. It dropped a little bit from a $150. What also dropped a little bit, it's Trump, guys, the Trump coin. So let's see what Trump coin will do. We're also going to discuss that, and we're going to also discuss the coin from his wife. So that we're also going to take a look because I saw that has a big crash when it was a couple hours launched in many exchanges. So guys, let's start with the Bitcoin price because I think that's quite important at this moment of time. Let's start with the charts of Bitcoin. Or let's start with a sip of the coffee. Sorry, guys. So we start always with the weekly chart of Bitcoin. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see everything better. So in the weekly charts, you can see very clear here that we break out from this pattern, what you see here. And the next candle, so this week candle, it's quite strong bullish candle. Even a green star in my MRI count. The green star normally it's a good prediction for more moves up. Nothing is a guarantee, guys, but we should always take in the chance of probability in the trading. So I think that's quite important when you are trading, that the chance of probability when you bet on something that it's higher for you, that it goes good than wrong. And beside that, always, guys, have your stop loss, have your risk management. I cannot say it enough. Without these plans, without writing everything down, you will have a big probability to lose your money, and you don't know even where you lost the money, where you win the money. It's very important to have some book, guys, where you write everything down when you make trades. I think that's quite important. You can analyze better after where you make mistakes in trading and where you make maybe the right choices, and you can analyze that afterwards. And I think that's quite important for your future choices in trading, because trading, guys, it's a journey, and in journey, any journey, you learn and you also make wrong decisions. I mean, in 11 years experience in my trading career, I had a lot of mistakes, like every trader had. But in the end, you should try to learn from it and try to do it better from day to day. I think that's the most important. That your portfolio is growing with the time, and when you see you do things wrong, try to change it. Don't keep this structure, how you went making your choices. Change it in a better way of trading choices. So the weekly, actually, it looks quite bullish for Bitcoin. Let's see how far we can close this candle. If we can close this candle between 104, 105k on Sunday, on Saturday, Sunday on Monday, when this candle is closed in 5 days and 12 hours, that means that there is a big probability that we're gonna make higher. And the next candle, weekly candle, will be a bullish candle, and we're gonna try to push it even higher than the all-time high what we have at this moment at around 109k and a couple $100, guys. So we are actually not so far from that point, just $5,000, and $5,000 on a price of 104k is not a lot of percentage. So let's see how that's gonna work out. Let's go to the 4-day chart. Or one thing I want to check, guys. One thing I want to check. Let's check the oscillators. The MACD looks good. The RSI looks good. The CMF looks more than good, guys. Let's go to the 4-day charts. So the 4-day charts, it looks even better in this pattern because we already have the second candle, what is bullish and what is above the pattern. So it looks even more bullish than the weekly at this moment of time. The only thing what we now need to do for the 4 days to be very bullish is have a close candle above 106K, above this point, above this close, because this was the highest close on the week of 18 December, 14 and 18 December in this week. So we should try to have one close above this to confirm totally bullish momentum, because look, guys, we are above all moving averages. All moving averages in pointing to the upside. We broke out the pattern. We even broke the all-time high at this point. We broke this all-time high, so that's also a good indication. The only thing what we need to do is now close a 4-day candle in the 4-day charts above these two candles. So that's, or let's close it above 107K, 106 and 106, 500, 107K will be a good confirmation to be bullish in all indicators, in all time frames. What we also will do very, very soon, it's breaking the MACD, the green line will go above the red line. That's also something to keep an eye on, because I think that will happen very soon. And what we also should do is that the CMF in the 4 hours go a little bit more up, because it's pointing a little bit down at this moment, the cash money flow. And I like to see it breaking this point. So actually, three things what we need to do. The MACD need to cross green again above the red line. The CMF need to go a little bit higher, and we need to break the 106.5K. So when we have these three things done, it's 100% bullish trade at that moment. Like, you cannot be bearish at that moment of time when everything points very, very bullish in Bitcoin land, guys. So the 1 day is a front runner of the 4-day charts, guys. So the 1 day should now showing something good to us. Just we have now today a MRI sell in the daily chart. So let's see how that's gonna work out. It's not a very clear MRI sell, because you can see it went not all higher and higher. We had a little bit struggle here, the last three candles, the last 4 days. So let's see how that will go. So actually we need here, just this candle is important, that we at least today can close above 105K. That will be a bullish sign, because that means that we are closing above the previous, actually almost all the previous candles. So close today above 105K. It means the best close, the most bullish close of a very long time, since 18 December. So that's already almost a month, more than a month time. So let's see if we can close above 105K today. Let's go to the short term, to the 4 hour legs. Let's see how that looks. So the 4 day, it looks quite good. It doesn't look bad, because we are above all moving averages. The oscillators, it doesn't look bad. It look neutral, and we need just break. Yeah, we need to go up and try to break this all-time high of 109K, 109K 300, 325. So let's see if we can do that. The lows are higher and higher, so that's a good point. So the only thing what we need to do is break the previous high, and this point, to be completely bullish. Okay, guy, I think this enough for Bitcoin. Let's go take a look to our favorite frog, Hoppy, guys, because Hoppy it had some struggles. And let's see what is Hoppy doing right now. Let's go to the weekly chart. Like the weekly chart, guys, the weekly buy at this point, it didn't play it out perfectly, but it's not a worry. It's not a worry because, like you see, the two candles here, they are not that bad. So we hold strong. This is a very strong support at four zeros, four zeros, 4 7. This red points what you see here. That's a quite strong, very, very strong support to what's holding at this point. What you can see also here. There is a couple good things what I can say, guys, about Hopi. The time from the lost from this upside movement when we go up again, it's exactly now the same at this point. So that's one bullish confirmation. The next bullish confirmation is that the weekly buy it was here, and we are still. It's still possible that the weekly buy, even 1 or 2 or 3 weeks after, it's gonna push up. The third thing is I don't see a lot sell pressure anymore in Hopi. I see a lot more buy pressure than sell pressure. That's the third thing. And beside that, guys, Hopi have a great, great community. The community is still believing in the coin. The coin, it's still the team is still trying to keep daily updates, give daily updates. That's a good thing. They are still working on many things, on trying to come in the picture. That's a good thing. There is some marketing behind it. The other thing is, guys, the top 10 wallets. The top 10 wallets, they didn't move any big amounts OP from the wallet. Beside that, a couple ones, they even bite some extra because I have an alert on the top 10 wallets and I check them from time to time by Hopi. And this all things together, it's give me a bigger probability that Hopi gonna make a big move soon than that it gonna drop more from this point. Nothing is a guarantee, guys. In the life, nothing is a guarantee. You know that, I know that. Just there is a big chance of probability that Hopi will go more up from this point. And I think, guys, that Hopi, when it's go up, it gonna how the pattern looks, it gonna break the all-time high, and it gonna even make a surprisingly move from the all-time high. So that means, guys, we can very, very without making it too big and without being unrealistic. I think we can make a very big move between 500 million market cap and 1 billion market cap in the upcoming months. Just the question is when really Hopi start the move up. That's the main question. For me, it's clear that it doesn't go take too much long time anymore because there is not anymore too much benefits for a big holder or for a big holder to sell at this point. Nobody that invested in Hopi want to sell his Hopi at this price because probably you will have a big loss at this point. So everybody is waiting for a bigger move up. And I think the most Hopi believers and investors, how I see the information in the internet about the community, because I'm quite in the community of Hopi and I see many things. I see also the people that work hard on it. I think that everybody believe in this coin that it go up. Just of course, at the time of moment, there is a lot of problems inside the market with meme coins, with altcoins. Nothing is really pumping. The most things are a little bit down the past 1 month and 2 months. So that's also plays a little role. But I think, guys, we are not far enough, and soon we're gonna make a move up with Hopi, and I hope that can make some that makes some sense for you guys, and maybe it can clear some doubts what you have. A very important point what we need to break with Hopi at this moment, it at 4 zeros 70, let's say 4 zeros 8. If we break 4 zeros 8 and we have one candles above it, that means the structure is changing. The resident structure is changing, and from that point we can make a big move up and break this moving averages and go for the all-time high, guys. I think that's quite a realistic view. So, guys, I think that's enough about Hoppy. Let's take a look at S&P 500. S&P 500, we're gonna do it fast. S&P 500, it's in a move up. I think S&P 500, it's gonna soon pump and it's gonna break the all-time high. Good buy points for S&P 500. I think that's around $1. $1, it's a good buy point at this point. Under $1, it's not really realistic at this moment of time. Of course, it can go to 90 cents or 80 cents, but it depends also what Bitcoin will do. And I don't think Bitcoin will make a drop at this moment. Too much drop, maybe around 100K, but I don't expect Bitcoin making a too big drop. I think, guys, SPX 6900, it can really reach the $5 and $10 in this year. So that's a good thing for S&P 6500 holders, I think. Let's go take a look at Trump coin, guys, because we took a look yesterday of it and it looked a little bit better than today. It was around $50. It dropped a little bit, but I have still faith in this coin, guys. I think this coin, I think when we break out here, this coin can easily go to $100, $200, $500, guys. Um, I think it will surprise some people. I don't think this was the point of the dump and the coin is finished. I think there will come a mega pump still from the Trump coin. I think the mega pump, you should expect a price around to be very low, $100 at least. To take it a little bit higher, I think it can even go to $500, $500. That's a 10x from here. I think that's possible. I think that's realistic. So let's keep an eye on it. I don't gonna sell the Hoppy coins. I think the Hoppy coins gonna give some more rewards, and I think this is not the point to sell your Trump coins. Sorry, I said Hoppy. I mean the Trump coins. I think it's not the time to sell your Trump coins at this point. I think this point it's a quite moment to maybe buy even some more Trump, in my opinion, because I think really we can reach the $100 at least, and that's already a 3x from here, from this point. Beside that, guys, there is also Melanie, and that's the wife of Trump, and she brought this coin out that doesn't go so well, actually. Like it came until $14 and it's dropped heavy. It dropped like, let's see, 300% from the top. So I don't hope you guys buy this coin. Personally, I didn't buy this coin. I'm more focused on the Trump coin. I think there is more interest in that coin. I think this is just a second coin. Like I don't gonna invest really in this Melania coin, but for the people that invest in it, I think it's not a bad moment to buy at this point, because I think it can easily go to $8, $9, $10 in the soon future, and that's already double your money. So that's not a bad thing to do, guys. And the rest of the market, guys, in the meme coins, they are really at this moment in a discount. I don't know how much money the most investors still have open. The most people are invested fully. And if you have some money, like extra funds, I think it's a nice moment to buy some meme coins at this point of time, because I think you have very big discounts at this moment. And I think these are the moments that nobody have a little so much trust in these coins at this moment of time. I think it's a perfect moment to buy in at this moment and just leave it for the upcoming months, because I think the upcoming months, guys, there will be an explosion in the crypto market and in the memes, more in this meme season. I think the meme season didn't really start it yet. The super cycle of the meme season, it will come, and I give it like 80-90% that it will be this year. So I think it's a perfect moment to buy some extra meme coins, in my opinion. This is not financial advice, guys. Everything, it's just my opinion and how I trade, and I think it's a good moment, guys. What you're doing, it's of course your own decision. I hope you make the nice, good decision so the portfolio grows with the good risk management. So yeah, that's my opinion, guys. For today, I think it's enough. I wish you all a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. Protect your bags, and we are tomorrow back with a new episode with some special meme coin. What we're gonna discuss, guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you liked it, please put a like, and I appreciate it. And see you all tomorrow, guys. Bye bye, Crypto Milad. Ciao.